Not so long ago, I had a problem with Oculus Link. It said that it had a general device problem. Yeah, I do not know what that means. So I contacted Oculus support on WhatsApp. Yeah, you heard me right. They first asked me all my personal information to later sell it to other companies. Just kidding. But they did ask me for my email and Oculus username. Hello, Thomas. And yes, my name is Thomas. Nice to meet you too. My name is Misha, and you can read that all by yourself. Long story short, a wonderful person called Misha was here to help me. I explained my problem, while they continued asking me for my personal information. Hey, I'm still kidding. It went a bit back and forth until I showed them this picture. Misha said it was a problem with the cable for sure. No. After this, they suggested to do a factory reset, which I completely knew how to do. Please help. After getting attacked by nostalgia and old memories from when I first put on my VR headset, I also reinstalled the Oculus software on my PC. Around that time, I also finished the factory reset, and immediately I saw some big changes. But what about the Oculus app thing on my PC? Well, after remembering why I do not like life, and a quick restart of my computer, it installed successfully. Moral of the story, if something does not work, delete and erase everything, and do it all over again. Hey Misha, if you're watching this, thank you so much for helping me out. Okay, now I'm heading to bed. It's 3 AM. I need help. Goodbye.